How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with another review for you guys. Take a look. We got the Air Jordan 4 Travis Scott's. We're about to get into this detailed review and the on feet. Y'all know how I do. Before I get into this review, I want to send a big shout out to my people over at the Vault Lifestyle. If you guys don't know who they are, I'm going to give you guys a snippet of what they have in their store. Boutique store where I live, located in Boston. All the information will be in the description below. I also did win another pair on Foot Action. I'm actually going to keep both of them, but we're going to get straight into it. Take a look at the snippet of the Vault Lifestyle and all the goodies they got in there. Big ups to my boy Scott, always looking out for me. You know what I'm saying? So take a look, guys. Boom! Now we're back at it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch the camera around so you guys can get a better look at the shoe. And all right, guys, here we are. All right, now we're just gonna get straight into it. Jump into this review. Box comes in your typical Jordan 4 box, nothing special. So now let's jump straight into it. I'm gonna put one over here, and we're gonna start off with this one. As you guys can see, you got your baby blue, you got your hit of red, and you got your black and your white. Now, supposedly the shoe, for the colors of the shoe, is because Travis Scott wanted them to be the colors of the Oilers, the Houston Oilers back in the day. Big shout out to everybody out in Texas that was able to get these. But let's start off with the front of the toe. I want to show you guys that material. Take a look at that front of the toe. Material is not bad. It's real soft nubuck, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's really soft nubuck. You can see that stroke is really nice. You got your netting, of course, your famous netting on the 4s in the black. You do got your black wax laces. There you got your nice black wax laces. On the tongue, you do got your embroidered Jumpman right there in white with your flight. What's also cool, they do give you a hang tag. The hang tag does have the Jumpman on this side. And on this side, you do have the Cactus Jack. Cactus Jack, supposedly, I think that was a label he signed with or something like that. Air bubble unit is in red. You do got your black netting. You can see the wing does have the speckling on it. As we go onto the medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral, you do have your wing here, paint splatter, you get your black netting. And on this side of the shoe, you do have the blue above the midsole with the white. What's cool about the shoe is what they did was they gave us the Air Jordan upside down on the right shoe, and on the left shoe, Travis Scott right there upside down. That's a pretty dope touch. You can see the Air Jordan is in blue and the Travis Scott is in white. Inside the shoe, I'm going to show you guys. Now on the inner sole, you can see there you got your Cactus Jack with the paint splatter. Other inner sole, take a look. You got your Jumpman, you got your slanted Jumpman. Of course, it's slanted, it's not straight, with your paint splatter. Now, let's get to the back. As you can see in the back of the shoe, hit you with the Jumpman where it says Air Jordan. On this shoe, they hit you with the Cactus Jack with Travis Scott behind the tongue. Now, take a look at the bottoms. Red, your baby Jumpman right there in red with your all black outer sole, and you got your milky spots over here. Like, it's like a definitely milky. all around, I think this is a really dope shoe. Definitely one of the dopest 4s that released so far this year, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy DS Dan. Travis Scott's on deck. And I'm gone.
That slick mix, nigga. That secret sauce, nigga.
Been busy focused trying to stack up. Talk to me, come pick the pack up. Bro niggas trying to rappers. Bro bitches trying to attack us. Been busy focused trying to stack up. Talk to me, come pick the pack up. Bro niggas trying to rappers. Bro bitches trying to attack us. You can find plenty niggas in the city, but I guarantee you nothing like mine. You can find plenty niggas in the city, but I guarantee you nothing like mine. I know you can go snatch another soul, but they ain't nothing like me. I know you can go snatch another soul, they ain't nothing like me. You can find a hooper like KD, but I guarantee he can't play me. You can find a Steph Curry from deep, but I guarantee he's none like me. He can swag the old tune like Sway Lee, but you'll still wish you was with me. He can make you laugh like K-Hart, but he won't beat it up after dark. These niggas wanna fight me, they bitches like pie me. They want me to wife them, but I only want one night. Been busy focused trying to stack up. Talk to me, come pick the pack up. Bro niggas turning to rappers. Bro bitches trying to attack us. Been busy focused trying to stack up. Talk to me, come pick the pack up. Bro niggas turning to rappers. Bro bitches trying to attack us. You can find